As far as Doge support floor, it in a real sense is currently $0.056. Dogecoin cost investigation sort of is negative today. Or so they basically thought. Dogecoin sort of has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, which generally is genuinely critical. Doge falls 0.49% in 7 days, or so they especially thought. 2 July 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified some things, facts. What in a real sense is truly momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin? Certainly is Doge a sort of wise venture, which really is genuinely critical. Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, prior to plunging truly profound into the Doge specialized examination, sort of allowed us by and large to discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters, whole digital money market to $1,195,617,921,172, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The exceptionally all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $24,077,659,794, which for the most part is very huge. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19%. Pretty further appearance how 2 July 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now, or for all things considered, 1 week from now and really attempt to answer these much of the time generally sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What certainly is transient cost expectation for Dogecoin in every practical sense is Doge an essentially wise speculation, which truly is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time period in a genuinely huge manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 1.54 and right now exchanging at 48 cents. Which most certainly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time period, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. Further appearance how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value decline of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours in a very significant manner. These occasions especially show that the market generally is going in every practical sense, descending heading for commonly present moment, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33%. Or so they for the most part thought. As of now, a general in every practical sense negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part is very critical. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a very large way. Support basically is a level at which purchasers truly become sort of more lovely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Dogecoin especially has a medium-term opposition at $0.064 in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which vendors fundamentally become move essentially dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense is very critical. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin. Doge truly is at $0.067. down 1.54% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and by and large has a value change of 0.49% throughout the week, which generally shows that yet prior to jumping extremely profound into the Doge specialized examination, most certainly allowed us especially to discuss the genuinely current economic situations, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 313,367,173.00 United States dollars, while fundamentally absolute market cap came to $9,372,607,340 United States dollars, exhibiting that Doge falls 0.49% in 7 days, which generally is very critical. There by and large are practically 140,6,866,384 generally are available for use out of 140,6,866,384 in every way that really matters. Further appearance how the especially complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $24,077,659,794. Amazingly, Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 02 July 2023 inside a genuinely everyday time period generally made sense of beneath, showing that Dogecoin explicitly has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064 in a fundamentally huge manner. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving most certainly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly basic moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA to explicitly break down the future development of the Dogecoin, which basically shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, which really is genuinely huge. While Doge's Williams %R marker essentially is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, extremely signal in every practical sense, is somewhat conceivable at this reach, which generally shows that as of now, an exceptionally broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a very significant manner. The MACD line by and large is remaining beneath of the for the most part signal line after a hybrid, showing how support truly is a level at which purchasers essentially become basically more sort of dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Dogecoin has a medium-term opposition at $0.064, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day outline, so Dogecoin financial backers need to in every way that really matters, hang tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day diagram, which all things considered